presenting the GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 Denali. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment Group 5 SA, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, wheels, 20x9 multi-dimensional polished Allen, front bucket seats, forged perforated leather appointed seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, adaptive ride control suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment system with navigation. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.